In this video, we will convert a character chain in another kind of data, like int, for example. Ready? Then let's go. As you can see, I created a new project. I come here and I declare a variable of type string with 2021 as value. We display it between quotes. Number string is equal to plus number as string. So it is a string and not a number, and the goal is to convert it as a number. But first, we will run the program. And as we see it here, the number as string is equal to 2021. Now we will convert it as a number, and there is a method. We go here and we type, for example, int number is equal to integer dot parse int, and between parentheses we put number as string, and we display number between quotes and plus number. We run the program, and number is equal to 2021 now. Now what we will do is add 1 to the two variables. So number as string plus equal to 1, and number plus equal to 1. Since we add a whole number 1 to string, Java will automatically convert the number 1 in the chains and will concatenate those two chains, so that the numerical chain will have the value 2. So string value will be 2021 and 1. However, we do not want that. By using number equal plus 1, we increment number by 1. So number will be 2022. Now we display the two variables. Number as string equals plus number as string. And finally, we display number is equal plus number. We run the code. And as we can see, the variable of string got the two values, 2021 and 1 that we added. And the variable of int was incremented from 2022. But we can't put the letter A, for instance, in the variable string or any special character. Else, if we do that, we will have an error, because int will not be able to convert them since they are not numbers. It was all for this video. See you next time.